How to change location on Snapchat map. Hey guys, in today's video we'll be talking about how you can change your Snapchat location. So yeah guys, let's get started. So on here you can see on map I have just hidden my location right now, but I'm right now in this country Pakistan. So how do I change the location of me? So what I'll do is the first thing that we want to know is that in iPhone you cannot do that in an iPhone, because iPhone does not have such application, or you cannot change the algorithm for iPhone. But yeah, if you have a Android device, yes you can. So for that you have to just download a fake GPS location app, and then from there you'll go into the settings, and then you'll click the on the developer option, and then from there you'll get a build option. So what you'll do that from that you'll just click 7 times on the build option, and then what you'll do next is that you'll just come back and then open a developer option, and there you'll have a lot of options. So what you'll do is that you'll just gonna swipe down, and you'll see that there's a location option. Now you can change your location, and you'll have it your new location maybe anywhere you want, like maybe in Dubai, maybe in Kazakhstan, maybe in Malaysia, Indonesia, Australia. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And the key is that you cannot do that in an iPhone, but yeah, and if you have an Android you are good to go. So yeah, this is how you change your location in your mobile. So yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and also click that bell icon, so you get updates on all of the work we do, and all of the social media applications, and all the features and everything related to social media. You'll find it out on our channel. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.